Hi guys, we're gonna replace the Serpentine bulb for this INFINITI FX35. So we need to lift it up the car. We need to lose this one and this one. So first thing we need to do is lose this 14mm here. Lose that one, then lose this one. This is 12mm, so it's better to use gear wrench like this so you can lose the tension quickly, just like that. Okay, then before you remove the belt, after to take a picture or draw a diagram, whenever you put the new belt, you have a guide to look at it. Remove it. Just like that. Same thing with this. Lose this one first, 14mm bolts. Just lose this one, yeah, counterclockwise. Just lose it a little bit, not too much. And this one you need to lose it too, just like that, counterclockwise. Okay. So before you put the new belt, make sure it's the same length. Yeah, it's same. So we can put it back now. Put this one first here. Then put like that. If you have problem to put it back, the new one, just loosen it. Just loosen it. This tension bolt, tension bolt. Loosen it more so you can put the belt easily. Yeah, just like that. Then tight. Make sure it's not loose. Just feel with your hand, or no need to torque it, just feel it by your hand. Yeah, that's good. If this one is good, you can tie it back, the tensioner bolt. Just tie it just like that. Okay. And it's better to check all the pulley first before you put it back, the new one. Yeah, no noise. If you hear any noise, maybe the bearing is maybe the bearing on the tensioner is not good anymore. Put it like that, then put it like that, and you can put the just like that. Same thing with the first one. It's the these are to put it the new belt. Lose the tension, just lose it. Okay, it's good, good. Yeah, just like that. Then tight it. A little bit more. Do not over tight it, because you get in trouble when you start the car. You need a little bit tension on your belt. Yeah, it's good. Now you can tighten it back, the tensioner. Okay, then we can start the car now. We're gonna start the car. And check the belt. If you hear a squealing noise, maybe one of the belt is not tight. You need to tighten it if you hear a squealing noise. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.